Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to watch FIFA World Cup 2026 on Apple TV. So the first thing that we are going to do is to open our browser. Now, if you are using a phone or a smart TV, so this will also work in your device. So all you have to do is to just follow my step. I'm just using my PC right here to show you how to do it. So on in the search bar, just search for Apple TV and then click on enter. Now in this part, you will see appletv.com. So all you have to do is to click the first link. So keep in mind that you will have to, of course, avail their subscription for you to be able to watch it inside their platform. So once you're here, just scroll down and then you will see this free trial. So they offers 7-day free trial right here. So all you have to do is to accept free trial. However, if you have already an account, you can just go here and log in into your account right here, but I will just click on accept free trial since I don't have an account yet. And then in this part, what we are going to do is to just put our Gmail and then click on continue. And then after that, all you have to do is to put your password and then put your first name and then of course your last name right here. And then of course your birth date and then of course your country or region. And then after that, make sure you agree to terms and conditions and then click on continue. Once you do that, they will send a verification code. So just open Gmail right here. And then in this part, you will be able to see this code. So all you have to do is to copy this. And then after that, once you do that, they will not be verified. And then they will not be able to create your account. Now, what you're going to do next is to just put your card number, your billing address, your street, and so on and so forth, including your zip code. And then here is the summary of your transaction. So after that, once you've put your information, you just have to click on confirm. And then once you click on confirm, you will now be able to access Apple TV right there. And then all you have to do is to wait for FIFA World Cup to start streaming. And then you will now be able to watch it inside Apple TV. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. That would be much appreciated. And that is basically it.